back to Carbon Xander. I'm Xander. Gotta whisper a little bit because it's very early. Today we're up to go to a Cars and Coffee in Sarasota. Now, we've done this video before, but today's a little special because I get to bring. This is a 2006 Aston Martin DB9 Volante. It's a convertible, obviously, but what isn't obvious is that this has a 6-liter, 12-cylinder engine, and it is a manual. Let's go ahead and get this out on the road and head over to Cars and Coffee. Oh my God. Oh my God, that sound. Woo! What a car, man. V12 manual. It's so nice. Holy cow. I know it's not 10,000 horsepower, but you don't need it in this car. It is so smooth. It sounds so good. Aston Martin did an amazing job with this car. The tuning of the engine, the way that it revs up, incredible. Oh, you know it's gonna be a good day when you're driving a V12 and you get the double rainbow, baby. Gentlemen. Boy, it's just a DB9 V12 manual, no big deal. Forgot to mention that we're in the VIP section. Thank you to our buddy Jonathan over at Fantastic Customs who wrapped my Tesla. Awesome dude. Yeah.
Just because of the door.
Doors go up. Kinda.
I love the manual. I heard you shifting as you were coming in. I got DB11.
Oh, sweet. Well, what do you know about this? Got the DB9 right here, parked next to a sweet Porsche, and then the new Lotus Emira. Beautifully wrapped Mercedes, Audi. Look at this, chrome blue Corvette. Doors go up, sweet. We are here pretty early today, but boy, there are some good cars here already. I'm psyched. Bro, a Noble is awesome. Oh, I think I've seen you on YouTube, man. I've been following this build. So we've got pretty cool YouTube inception. Obviously, I'm not the biggest YouTuber in the world. There's a bigger YouTuber here today at the Sarasota Cars and Coffee, and he brought his Noble that he's been working on. If you're a fan of YouTube Automotive, you'll know who this is. I'll put a link to his channel here. What a great build. He's really taken a lot of care in making this basically like a brand new car. The Noble is such a rarity. It's great to see one in person, especially one that I've actually been following on YouTube. Nice. Look at the wrap on this McLaren, man. I've actually seen this McLaren before. It was wrapped differently, and this wrap is insane. Look at that. It sounds good too. I think I called it the best sounding McLaren GT I've ever heard. Listen to that. C8 sounds really good. Look at this sick 750S. Wow, look at the wheels on this thing. Like bead locks. Shelby. Holy cow, look at this Gallardo. Those rims are crazy. Look at the wing on this thing. Look at this Omni Energy GT3 RS. Damn, this car is sick. Sounds good. Nice old, what is that, a 63 Corvette? Woo, gotta love the GT3 RSs. Oh no, it's starting to rain and I got the top down on the Aston Martin. Let's go. Save the Aston.
You did it, bro.
I did it, man.
You did it.
I saw the first drop of rain. I
don't even want to think old leather.
I know, I gotta wipe it down, right?
Yep.
All right, folks, you might be able to see it's freaking raining. I think that this is a bust. We've already got people walking out. I had to switch over to my phone because my main camera just cannot get wet or it'll die. What a bummer. Finally bring an awesome car to a Cars and Coffee, get rained out. But that's Florida in the summertime. I'm gonna see if I can catch some of these folks as they're leaving. Otherwise, it might be a wrap for this portion of the video. I'm gonna still do the full review on the Aston Martin, so stick around for that. Check out this Trans Am WS6 package. That is sick with the RAM Air induction. Sounds awesome. That was a really cool car when I was growing up. Maybe, what is that, like a 99, 2000, something like that. Yeah, here comes that Martini livery. GT3, no, it's a GT4. Nice wing on it. That 911 Turbo S sounds great, holy cow. Man. Listen to the blower on this. Okay, that is sick. Oh my God. Sounds great. Nice, GT3 RS. Man, that is beautiful. Plum color. Color on this 911 Carrera is beautiful. I don't know if that's a wrap, but holy cow, that was nice. Sounds good. Is that a R34? Standing under a tree to stay out of the rain. There is literally nobody at the exit today. That's what kind of a bust it is. But I'm gonna trooper through it. I know there's one SVJ here. Ah, look at this Gallardo. That spec is sick. So clean. V10, it's pretty muted, but beautiful car. Ah, GT4C Lusso. V12. What is that? Oh, Mustang, of course. Supercharged. Probably not a good idea to send it today. Yeah. Rev it. Oh, it's like driving Miss Daisy today. Banana yellow headlights. Sounds good. guess we know the fate of the Furious. That is a sick replica Supra. Hey, my brother, thanks again for the ticket. Appreciate it. Fantastic customs right there. Oh, look at this beauty. Just a great exhaust on that GT. Best sounding one in the world, in my opinion. Here goes that beautiful Amira that was parked next to me. That is officially everyone that I came with. So, I'm the lone soldier out here today. So now I got the worst of both worlds. Sun is shining, baking me on this side, and it's raining. The things I do for you, YouTube. You better subscribe, you better like. Thank you so much. It really helps support the channel. This is a pretty nice Huracán right here. It's a LP640-2, if I'm not mistaken. Nardo Gray, V10. It's just a great spec with the orange calipers. Wow, rolling coal in a Civic. That looks like severe engine damage. Whoa, look at how cute that is. Man, look at this, another Trans Am with the WS6 RAM Air package. Yeah. Man, that thing is clean. It looks like it came off the showroom floor. So I had to get a shot, obligatory SVJ shot. This one usually leaves really late in the show and I'm about to get out of here. It's all done up in a Omni Energy drink livery. You can see it's part gloss, part matte. Got the 0 on it. It is just a really cool car. And if you go down here, obviously there's some really cool special touches, the SVJ. And then you got Woody hanging on to Buzz with the Gintani exhaust. I'm gonna go ahead and put a clip of this revving and taking off because I've already caught that and you guys deserve to see it. All right, so the rain stopped, got back to my main rig. There are some pretty cool cars left here, especially over at the Omni Energy drink booth. Come check this out. Beautiful Audi R8 with a nice carbon fiber wing. It's in that like Nardo Gray, carbon fiber blades, aftermarket wheels, front splitter, all carbon fiber. You also have a Huracán Evo, beautiful. And then you have the sick SVJ right here. I'm a big fan of this spec. Lots of carbon fiber on this. There's like a carbon fiber front dive plane all the way up to the carbon fiber wheels. Look at those. Side splitter, obviously, rearview mirror. Nice SVJ on the side. Air intake, beautiful rear wing. And of course, wouldn't be right without the carbon fiber rear splitter. Gorgeous spec. The mix of the V10 and the V12 sounds incredible, guys. It's gonna let you soak in it. Get that V10 rev. Gray. It's that rotary-swapped Sidekick. Yours sounds better than the SVJ. All right, that really is it for the day. I got you the SVJ shot. You owe me a like and a subscribe for that one. Let's go check out this DB9 Volante in a little bit more detail in a place that's maybe a little bit sunnier. Stay tuned.